Okay, let's look at a way that we can better wrangle all the data that we're getting through our forms that can make it a little bit more usable. One of the things that you'll see, and that you've obviously already noticed, is that when you receive all this information, it kind of comes in and it's a lot of data to keep a handle on. Um, I'm looking right now at a particular student scale assignment that I did with my 8th graders. But one of the things that you can do to really, like I said, organize this is if you click into a column where the student's name is, for example, and then you go up to data. It knows you're in column B, so you can say that I want you to sort the column from A to Z, top to bottom. And if you click that, you'll see that not only just the names, but all the information to the right stays with the names. And this way, certainly you'll have a smaller population of students than the group that I have here is organized by name. And now you see that it's the first name first, but if you're getting multiple months of data, it's going to arrange it by student for you to look at that. Another thing that you can possibly do that I do recommend doing is you can make a new sheet for each of your students. So for instance, I might every now and then go in, organize my data, and say, okay, these first, just pretend like all of these columns are for this one student here. I can highlight the information, and I would copy it, and then here I'd paste it, and then I would rename the sheet to just that student. And there is a way that you can organize your information as well. What you're seeing now with my boxes here is that I've done something called text wrapping, which is this little icon here. And if you highlight a row and you undo it, you'll see it comes up like that, which is really not helpful. So I recommend doing text wrapping, and then you can mess with the size of the different rows so the information is a little bit more clear for you to see. You can change it once you move it away from that original form response list to this list. You can really change whatever you want with this to make it a larger font or to spread it out. Maybe you don't need to see the timestamps for this one or the whatever category that you're going to hide. You can certainly delete those rows very easily or columns very easily if you want to. What I recommend doing is if you click this little box up here and click text wrapping, that'll make sure I just clicked it off. Now I click it back on. Everything in this sheet is going to have text wrapping, so it won't go in a long line away here. It'll all stay right in front of you. So this is one way that you can really organize your data depending on the different type of form that you're going to be using for your AD class. So hopefully you found this helpful.